So I was talking to this friend of mine who teaches a dance class that is beloved to me. And if you've listened to this podcast, you know that I'm a total fangirl and like go to this class a lot. And I talked about it before. But she was telling me that she was speaking to somebody at a business school and just like having a conversation, and that he asked her about this work she does in dance. Now, I think just to set the stage, like dance is sort of more of a side hustle level thing for this person, for my friend. She has a day job, as a professor, right? So she has like a salary and does a whole other thing in a whole other field. But dance and fitness is like a passion, and she's amazing at it. I mean, truly amazing. She has a huge following, of which I am a part, for good reason, because she's so talented. Her dances are incredible. And everybody in the room, it's like lightning in a bottle. When you are in her dance class, you just feel it. Everybody in there is like having such a good time. It's like a place where everybody in there is just feeling it and like gets to escape from the regular life that they have. And just for 1 hour of the week, or maybe three, if you're like me and you go 3 times a week, just like put on a different persona and have just fun. So this person, this like businessy person, was asking her a question about like how she could monetize it better. Like, what is your business plan? How many students can you get in the classroom? How much can you charge them? And she was telling this to me, and I am a devotee of her and her dancing. And so I like immediately when I heard that, I was like, ooh, he's like totally missing the point. And part of that is because I think this class for my friend, I think it fulfills a different role in her life than just money. I mean, of course, she earns money, she deserves money for this work, and she puts in genuine work, but also it clearly gives her a source of community and fitness and fun and friendship and like letting her hair down. And of course, she's delivering that to all of us as well. So it kind of operates on multiple levels. It's not just about the money. And in fact, the reason that she has such a passionate following is that this class is so clearly a passion of hers. And I just wanted to bring up that story because I think it's really sometimes when you focus too much on the money part of what you're doing, you can actually really miss the point. And I think this is what is so alienating for people like us, creative people, people with a passion, people who are really into a thing, right?